Hi everyone. Welcome back to Gear and Grips, where we bring you the latest insights and reviews on vehicles, tools, and machinery that help you get the job done. Today, we're diving into a machine that's trusted by farmers and professionals alike, the 2025 Mahindra 265Di tractor. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just getting started, having a reliable and efficient tractor is essential, and the Mahindra 265Di is a fantastic choice for those looking for durability and performance. Let's break down what makes this tractor a great investment and a true workhorse in the field. First off, let's talk about the engine. The Mahindra 265Di is powered by a 3-cylinder, 2048 cubic centimeters diesel engine that produces 30 horsepower. This engine is designed for heavy-duty tasks, ensuring optimal performance whether you're plowing fields, hauling loads, or operating equipment. With Mahindra's trusted DI technology, it offers fuel efficiency without compromising on power, which is a big plus for long working hours. Now, coming to its design and build, the 265Di is a sturdy machine. It has a robust chassis and a solid metal body that's built to last even under tough conditions. The tractor weighs approximately 1,790 kilograms, giving it the stability you need when tackling heavy tasks. Plus, its compact size and sleek design allow for easy maneuverability, even in smaller or uneven fields. One of the standout features of this tractor is its advanced hydraulics. It comes with a lifting capacity of 1,200 kilograms, which makes it versatile for a wide range of farming implements like plows, cultivators, harrows, and more. Whether you're into general farming, horticulture, or even small-scale industrial tasks, this tractor has got you covered. The Mahindra 265Di also comes with an 8-speed gearbox, with 6 forward and 2 reverse gears. This provides excellent control, allowing you to adjust speed according to the task at hand. Whether you're working on a field or transporting goods, this gearbox ensures smooth operation and reduces strain on the engine. Let's not forget comfort, because long hours in the field can be exhausting. The tractor is equipped with a comfortable seat, ergonomic controls, and a well-designed dashboard that makes operation seamless. Additionally, the dry disc brakes and mechanical steering provide safe and precise handling, giving you confidence even on uneven terrain. Maintenance is also straightforward with the Mahindra 265Di. The parts are easily available, and Mahindra's service network is extensive, so you don't have to worry about downtime due to repairs. Now, let's address the big question, price. The Mahindra 265Di is competitively priced in the Indian market. In 2025, you can expect it to cost between 4.80 Indian rupees lakh and 5.20 Indian rupees lakh, depending on the location, dealer, and any additional attachments you choose. For what it offers in terms of power, durability, and efficiency, it's a great value for money. So, who is this tractor for? The Mahindra 265Di is perfect for small to medium-scale farmers and anyone looking for a dependable tractor that doesn't break the bank. It's a versatile, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance machine that promises to deliver consistent performance across a variety of tasks. Before we wrap up, let's highlight why the Mahindra 265Di stands out in its class: a reliable 30 HP engine, robust design, advanced hydraulics with a 1,200 kilograms lifting capacity, and an affordable price range. If you're in the market for a tractor that ticks all the boxes, the Mahindra 265Di is definitely worth considering. And remember, investing in the right equipment is investing in your productivity and future success. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gear and Grips for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in farming and industrial machinery. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific tractor or tool you'd like us to cover next.